Hello and welcome to another update video about Binance Coin BNB. Haven't done one for a while. Last time, before that last attempted breakout, I think that we had here. And as always, I try to make you aware before a breakout happens. I think we can expect something very, very nice here for BNB in the next few, maybe even hours or days, because we are currently in a sort of breakout structure here. I did tell you in my last video that, we were actually down here. We already broke out of that structure before. And I gave you my target level of $500. Now, we are pretty much there now, but now we are just about to break out of that structure here, that larger head and shoulders. So down here, it was an inverse head and shoulders, and now we have a cup and handle, sorry. Now we've got a cup and handle here, and also at the same time as an ascending triangle. So you can see that we've got this cup and the handle here, and at the $500 or $505 level, we actually have the neckline. So if we take a look here, we are pretty much there now. Now we are pretty much at $500. I think actually the resistance line, the main resistance line here is at 505. And you can see how in the last few days we consolidated bullish here. Or not really, well, this was a consolidation, but a bullish one, because, you know, we moved up, broke out of that structure here in a large move. Then we've been moving sideways now for a few days. We tried one breakout here, which was on the 20th of October. I think I did a video just before that to make you aware. However, that was a fake out, but we did not break below these key moving averages. Well, for one day, but it was a fake out to the downside. We then came all the way above that ascending trend line here again, and we're now at $500. So I'm holding BNB anyway. I started to buy more BNB down here before I made my first video on BNB, and since then we've been holding above the 20, above the 50, and above the 200-day moving averages. That is important. It just indicates that we are in an uptrend, also that we are consolidating bullish. You can see the price action here throughout all of this sort of short-term uptrend. Look at all these green candles, and there are only a few red candles, and the green candles that you have, they are much bigger than the red candles, just indicating again the strength of that uptrend. And yeah, I think we're not far away. I mean, Bitcoin sort of needs to sort of move sideways or move up for that. I think if Bitcoin crashes down, we know that, then BNB will probably suffer as well. However, what you can see actually is that the last time here that Bitcoin sort of crashed or made that move to the downside, BNB only very, very shortly and very, very briefly suffered. So it has since then recovered quite a bit, and it was only a very, very brief here move here to the downside. Since then we have obviously recovered, and it's looking so far so good. That is just what I wanted to make you aware of, that cup and handle that we are about to break out. And on the daily here we also get this potential buy signal on the MACD, making a bullish cross here, or very close to a bullish cross here on the MACD. So that is important, and I think that might actually happen tomorrow. So we're just about there, and with the current development of the price, I think we will see that. We still have a buy signal, a long signal on the ADX, which is positive as well, and also on the RSI. You know, we are climbing higher here. Let's just take a look if we see any sort of divergence there, but I don't think we do. No, we don't have a bearish divergence, because we make lower highs here, lower lows on the RSI. We make lower lows on the price action, which is fine. The RSI is just doing what the price is doing, also making lower highs here currently still on the price action, and lower highs on the RSI. So at the moment that is looking fine. However, at the moment we might not, you know, as I always say with an RSI, if you have a resistance level and you failed and you go to that resistance level again, but your RSI is lower, that just indicates that we could have more difficulties to get through it. So it just remains to be seen what happens with that RSI, but it's only one indicator. Generally, it is looking very bullish. Other cryptos have broken out of the same structure already, and that is one more reason why I tried to make you aware of it. Again, you know, before it happens ideally, because if it's too late, it's too late. So I told it to the guys in the private Telegram membership group already that you can expect potentially a breakout here, and we're now at $500. And you know, we've got that ascending trend line above all the moving averages, and we've got a cup and handle pattern, and we're just at this critical level here. And I think if we see the breakout, you know, we can get quickly, I think, actually to much higher levels. we've been now below that level of $505 actually since May, and it's been a while now, and we already were at $700. So I think we can expect higher prices in the next few weeks, and we are currently, as we speak, already at the $500 level. So just want to give you the heads up. Hope you liked that video. If you want me to cover BNB going forward, let me know, and if you like the video, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.